Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Stacy here again to do another amazing unboxing. So guys, you remember my last video where I did my unboxing of my new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So guys, after like a week or so, they sent me this. All right, so I did not order this, guys, but it's actually a gift that goes with the S22 Ultra. So I'm just going to unbox it to see. But in the message they sent to me, they wrote my order of a wireless charger. So that is to say, guys, this is a wireless charger, Samsung wireless charger. So I don't know how it is. I've never seen wireless charger before, though I used to see it online, but physically I've not seen it before. So I'm just going to unbox it with you guys. It came like 2 days ago. I was like, why not, let me just unbox it in front of my family here on YouTube, so we'll all see it together, guys. All right, let's get started and see what this package is all about. All right, I have my scissors right here. But guys, I've been trying to kind of place the order for that earbud just the same way I did it with my S21. I don't really know what's going on. I've been trying to place it, but it's not going, it's not working. When I'm done filling the form, it goes right back to the beginning all over again. So I don't know. Please, if you guys know how I'll be able to go about it to place my order, to place the earbud, please just help me out and drop it in the comment section so that I'll be able to like follow the step. But this, okay, it has another seal right here. I think I have to open this right here. Guys, don't mind the way I'm unboxing it. It doesn't matter how you unbox it. What matter is you are able to bring it out, right? So guys, look, take a look at this. It has this inside. It has a paper inside. It's written in Spanish, okay? Yeah, hola, enhorabuena, ya tienes en tus manos tu nuevo Samsung Galaxy S22 Series. Listo para que lo disfrutes. Sabemos que ha tardado más de lo previsto en llegar. Por eso tu nuevo Samsung Galaxy S22 Series no viene solo. Ajá. Para agradecer tu espera, queremos regalarte un práctico cargador inalámbrico Samsung, con el que podrás cargar tu dispositivo fácilmente y está siempre conectado. Gracias por elegir Wi-Fi. Yeah, okay guys, now I get it. You remember I told you guys that I placed the order and it took long for the order to arrive. So I had to call them. When I called them, they were like, they are out of stock. It was funny because this phone just came out, and how come you guys are already out of stock? So they told me to wait, that if I wait on the 1st of April and I still don't get it, that's when they will be able to lay the complaint that I placed order and my order have not arrived yet. So luckily for me, I think it was even after on the 1st, or no, it was on the 1st. On the 1st, they wrote me that my order is on the way, that it will get to me on the 4th of April. and truly it came on the 4th of April. So what this means is that they just gave me this as free gift to tell me thank you for waiting, for the time wasted. In fact, they are using this one to bribe me. So in case you order the S22 and you are like, why didn't they send me the wireless charger? So this is the reason they sent it to me, because Stacy actually waited and waited and waited and waited before I got my phone. Okay, so this is it. Thank you guys. Thank you, Samsung. So here is the wireless charger. So guys, let's unbox it. What is written here? Look guys. So it's written here, wireless charger duo, compatible with Galaxy phone, watch, buds, iPhone, and AirPod. Okay. No, AirPod, sorry. Then here it has Samsung. Here is written wireless charger duo. Yeah, okay, it's written another language, which I don't want to pronounce because I don't even know how to pronounce it. So at the back, you can see, guys. So I'm going to unbox it, guys. Let's see how it looks. I think, yeah, there is seal here. So I'm just going to go right to cut out the seal right here. Just like the seal in the carton of the S22. It has something similar. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, it has another one in the middle. I don't mind me, guys. I'm not really good in unboxing. Because I don't have patience. Like, all these things, it takes patience to unbox it. Like, to unbox it neatly. But for me, just anyhow I like. In as much as I don't cause damage to what's inside. So how I unbox it doesn't matter. Yeah. Wow, this is how it looks like. I've never really seen like a wireless charger. I used to see it online, like I said before, like I've not touched it like this before. So this is how it looks, guys. It's really big. Because when they sent me that message, like I'm expecting a wireless charger, I had to go online to browse it, Samsung wireless charger. So when I saw it, it looked like it was small, but seeing it now, it's kind of bigger. Look, guys. So I don't really know how it works, but according to the name, wireless, it means you don't have to plug it with your phone. Okay, guys, look. This is amazing. It has charger. It came with USB cord and adapter. I think I can also use this to charge my phone. I'm just going to check if it's the same mount. So it's Samsung. Okay, I think this one, okay, it has a space here, like the charging port. So I'm just going to charge it, then I believe I'm to place my phone on top, right, guys? So when I'm done charging it, I'll just place my phone in case if that one is bad. Wow, guys, this is the amazing thing about it. Look, it's the exact charger. So wow, I'm glad. Samsung, thank you very much. So guys, this is it. This is the wireless charger. I'm just going to take this off. Here it is, guys. So that is all, guys. If you know you also have this wireless charger, just let me know in the comment section and tell me how it works, if it's good, how it is literally, because this is the first time I'm using a wireless charger. But with the way it is, guys, it's very nice. It look like this ebook. So, but it's okay, and it's lightweight, guys. It's not heavy. So that's the great thing about it. And I'm just going to plug it and enjoy my wireless charger, just like a power bank. When you are going out, you just charge this one. So in case you are traveling, you're inside the bus, you don't need to plug in your phone. So all you need to do is just place your phone right here and it will charge your phone. Okay. All right, thank you all, guys. So thank you. If you watched to this extent, you are amazing. So if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. And also, please don't forget to like my video, comment, share to your loved ones. So don't forget to drop your comment down below. It goes a long way for me. All right, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.